some time the state and the non-state actors to achieve the country's strategic or political objectives. Funding are denied to the terrorists by countering it with the funds more than 1.5 times of the funds available to them. So if they have got a budget of 1200 crores, we can match it with 1800 crores. They are all on our side. We start working on the vulnerabilities of Pakistan. It can be economic, it can be internal security, it can be political, it can be their isolation internationally, it can be anything. It can be defeating their policies in Afghanistan, making it difficult for them to manage internal political balance or internal security. I am not going into that detail.
India, for some time, has always used Afghanistan as a second front, and India has, for over the years, financed problems for Pakistan on that side of the border.
शुमाली वजीरिस्तान में ऑपरेशन हुआ तो हम सब अफ़गानिस्तान चले गए। फिर मैंने वहाँ देखा कि अफ़गानिस्तान में इन लोगों के इंडिया सररा के साथ ताल्लुकात बढ़े, उन्होंने उनको सपोर्ट किया, उनको माली मुआवनत फराहम की और उनको अहदाफ भी दिए और उन्होंने उनसे हर कार्रवाई की कीमत वसूल की।